How to remove, disassemble, and repair the heavy-duty truck tire. Let us look. Important conditions. Safety first. Always use appropriate safety gears, including gloves and eye protection. Specialized tools. Heavy-duty trucks tire require a specialized tool for removing the bead and demounting the tire. Weight. Be mindful of the tire's weight and use proper techniques to avoid injury. Professional help. If you are not comfortable with the process or lack the necessary tools, it is always best to seek professional assistance from qualified tire shop. Removing a heavy-duty truck tire involves a few key steps, starting with loosening the lug nuts, then deflating the tire and breaking the bead, and finally demounting the tire from the rim using specialized tools. Safety is crucial. Proper equipment procedures should always be followed. Detailed steps. 1. Prepare. Ensure the truck is safely raised and supported with jack stand. 2. Loosen the lug nuts. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheels you are removing, but do not fully remove them yet. 3. Deflate the tire. Use the valve core remover to fully deflate the tire, ensuring no remaining pressure. 4. Break the bead. Use bead breaker tool, often lever or specialized machine, to loosen the tire from the rim. 5. Demount the tire. Use tire iron or tire mounting or demounting to pull off the tire from the rim. This can be a difficult step, especially with larger tires, so be prepared to use leverage. Inspect after removal. Thoroughly inspect the rim and the tire for any damage or wear. Important conditions. Safety first. Always use appropriate safety gears, including gloves and eye protection. Specialized tools. Heavy duty truck tires require specialized tools for removing the bead and demounting the tire. Weight. Be mindful of the tire's weight and use proper techniques to avoid injury. Professional help. If you are not comfortable with the process or lack of the necessary tools, it is always best to seek professional assistance from qualified tire shop. Heavy duty tire requires a special machine to demount the tire from the rim. It also needs experienced and trained professional tire repair man. This is tire repair workshop where the special machine is used to demount or break the bead from the rim.
Now it is time to reassemble rim ring. Use lever to press rim ring dot into its locking position.
Take care of the valve, again, not to distort.
After the tire and inner tube reassembled into rim inflation, proceed.
The recommended tire inflation pressure for a heavy-duty car or vehicle, such as a truck, SUV, or commercial van, varies based on the vehicle type, load, and tire specifications, but here are general guidelines: light-duty trucks/SUVs, 35 to 45 psi, medium-duty trucks, class 3 to 550 to 80 psi, heavy-duty trucks, class 6 to 8. including semis 90 to 120 psi. Important notes: always check the vehicle's placard, usually on the driver's door frame, or the owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended P. The tightening torque for heavy-duty tire lug nuts depends on several factors including vehicle type, truck, bus, construction equipment, etc., lug nut size and thread type, wheel material, steel or aluminum, manufacturer recommendations, general guidelines for heavy-duty trucks. Here are common torque values for heavy-duty truck lug nuts. Important tips: always use a calibrated torque wrench. Tighten nuts in a star pattern, re-torque after 50 to 100 miles of driving, especially after new.
The final torque must be tightened with special torque wrench to the standard. In organized and modern workshop, the process is shortened with machine-assisted work with less manpower.
If you like this video, please consider to like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel. Thank you for watching my video.